Welcome, today in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first we should unlock the device, and after that open the settings application. Now just click here to the lock screen and wallpaper section, and the first section will be with the always on display settings. Click here, and here we can click to the always on display style. Here we can change the classics, just select the classic styles, the default ones here, or also we can click here and select just the city which you want. So here we got different just types of the always on display, and after that, for example, here we can change the sticker if you want. For example, this one, or the champagne, or also we can select the custom, so you can select the photo or download it from the internet or just previously taken on your device. Also we can change here the color of our day, time and date. By this way, for example, we will go with this one, and after that click here to apply. Wait a second. As can you see, we got here the message that this time was applied successfully, and as can you see, that's really worked here. And also we can just here click to personalize that style here and select one from this, like animations. So as can you see, we got here just different always on display features, and just click here to apply. You should just go back also, and if you want to change, you can switch the display mode. So click here, we got selected the display all day. We can just set here the shadow start and the end of the always on display feature, or also when we'll move the phone, or when we'll move slightly our display of our phone, or also we can here activate or turn off to show the notifications, the messages, phone and Facebook notifications here. And after that, just when we lock the device, we can see the changes here. Okay, I just forget to change the display mode, for example, all day. And here we can see also our device changes. So that's how to customize always on display feature on our Vivo V23. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.